welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming this look and showing you guys how I achieved this cranberry fall look. So if you guys want to see how I got it, then just keep watching. Also remember to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to see when I upload. So let's get right into the video. First, I want to start off with the palette that I'm going to be using. So the palette is Soft Glam by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is what it looks like. I love this palette. This will always be a cult favorite. It is such a great palette, and this is the inside of it. So I want to do a cranberry type fall look today, something a little different from my last one, which was the pumpkin-y colors. So I will tell you guys all the colors that I'm going to be using, and I'm so excited for this fall look. So let's get into it. So first I'm going to take Tempera, and I'm going to use my Real Techniques blending brush, and let's see, this is the deluxe blending brush. So we're going to take that. I'm going to take Tempera, and that's just the white color over here. And all I'm going to do is just kind of set all of the lid area so everything blends seamlessly. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So next I want to go in with this Dusty Rose over here, which I think is a really pretty color. And I'm going to use my Japanesque brush. You guys have seen me use this brush in a lot of videos. So I'm going to go in with a Dusty Rose, and I'll zoom you in on this part so you can see. So that is just going to be a blending crease color. And I think this is perfect to start off the look. You just want to do blending windshield wiper motions back and forth. And then I bring that under my eye so everything looks cohesive and put together. The next color that I want to do is the rose pink, and I'll show you guys that. This is a gorgeous color right there. So I'm just going to take that actually with my finger. And these colors are so soft. You don't even need this palette though. There's so many palettes at the drugstores. You can find e.l.f. palettes that have similar colors to these that are inexpensive. So I am just going to put that all over the lid. And that is a shimmery color, which I love. So that is going all over the lid. And then next, what I want to go in with, let's see, is I want to take the sultry color right there. And I want to put that more towards, since it's a little darker, more towards the outer corner. And I'm just using my finger with these because I notice when I use my finger, it gives me the most pigment rather than using a brush. I feel like because you're pressing it in to your eyelid, it just gives me more coverage. And then I'm going to bring that color under my lid as well. So that's what we got so far going on. And I do want to take the color Glistening right here, and that's kind of like a champagne shimmery color. I just want to highlight the middle of my eyelid, just to give it a little bit of more of a highlight. I'm going to take Rustic, which is this deep brown color over here, and I am going to put that in my crease. And as you can see, I applied it to my outer corner as well, just to deepen it up. Because I do want some brown in there. Even though this is a cranberry look, I do like the browns mixed in with the cranberry for fall. And again, put that under. I'm just kind of blending all the colors under my eye together. If you feel like it's not blended out well, you want to take that big fluffy brush that I used in the beginning and just blend everything out. And it just blended in perfectly together. I'm using the same brush for all this, but I'm going to switch to a different brush, which is also a Japanesque brush, and this one is perfect for the outer corner. So I'm going to go in with this deep cranberry mulberry color, and it's called Mulberry. So I'm going to dab that on my brush and pat some of it off because I don't want it too intense. And then I'm just gonna place that in my outer corner. I really want this color to deepen up the look. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more and keep deepening up the outer corner with this. And as you can see, it deepened it it doesn't give it that crazy look. So I really like that. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other eye. I'm gonna take that color and just put it a little bit towards the outer bottom lash line. As you can tell, just deepen the outer corner just a little bit, which is exactly what I wanted. I'm gonna go in with this rustic brown shade right here. It's a little bit lighter than the other brown that we use, which is Cypress Umber. So I'm gonna go in with the rustic color, and I'm just gonna kind of blend all of that together. And then I'm gonna go back in with that rose pink and just kind of add that back in right there so we didn't lose any of that color. Sometimes you can lose some of that color, so I just want to re-brighten that back up. So I love that. And then I'm going to go in with the glistening color and put that in my inner corners. And that will make your eyes pop a lot. This is a must to do because it makes the eye look pop even more, and it makes your eyes pop even more. And then last, before I'm finished, I'm pretty much done, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with this blending brush again with nothing on it, and I'm gonna just blend everything so that everything looks seamless. I think this look is so pretty for fall. I wanted to do something a little bit different. I hope you guys like this. I want to do more cranberry rather than the pumpkin pie type look. What I did more oranges and browns. I want to do more of cranberry colors. So I think this came out really nice. And I hope you guys can recreate this look. And I made it easy to follow along with. I'm going to finish up my makeup and I will be right back. So this is a completed eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I mixed a couple of different lipsticks together to make a cranberry color. So if you just have a cranberry color or anything that is close to this, I would recommend that with this look. I think it looks really pretty and just gives into that cranberry look even more, which is what I was looking to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I will zoom in one last time so you guys can see what it looks like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your support and for watching. I appreciate it so much. I hope this video helped and gave you some tips and ideas for a fall look. Remember, I upload every Tuesday and Thursday. Please subscribe to my channel and remember to hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload, and hit like if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more makeup tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.